They don't know it. But you do. And I will show them all. I can pull off a bucket hat. I used to be Mr. Unpopular. No one ever saw me or even knew I existed, just the way I liked it. But one day...
Hey, encrypt everything. And ask for ransom while you're at it.
Of course.
I feel so terrible.
It's okay.
Hi, I'm VPN.
I'm ZTNA.
And I'm Zero.
We securely connect remote users to an organization.
Let me show you how it's done. I create a direct tunnel between a user and an organization. It's reliable, it's fast, and it's... All right, crazy animals, time to eat.
So, Tom, how's work going?
Our anchor is shot from a low angle, signifying confidence. Their anchor is in grainy black and white, walking in an alley by a dumpster. Our anchor has a bright smile while holding a baby. Their anchor holds a cigarette while awkwardly laughing.
We just love being restricted.
That's a different group.